Good morning everyone. So welcome to our video session with chapter 14 part 4. Last class we discuss about the constructions of angles and we learn how to construct a copy of angles, that is one constructions one. Today we learn first constructions 2, that is how can we construct a bisectors of given angle. So see, today is what constructions 2. Construction 2. Okay. In constructions 2, what we learn is constructions 2 we learn, okay, see, to draw a bisector of an angle, that means to construct a bisector, okay, bisector of that means we construct a bisector of a given angle. So how can we constructions? First we know about the step. Suppose one angle is given, then how can we bisect an angle? See, then here is the we know about what step. First we know about step 1. First we was if the angle is given, that means here let the angle is given. So here let the angle is given POQ. Here is the angle POQ is given, and here is the angle is POQ. That means POQ is the given angles. Then how can we construct a bisector of a angles? So here we can bisect. How can we bisect us? See, first I will told you, then I will write the step. Okay. Then here is the angle. So suppose here is the one angle is given. Here is the POQ angle given. Now you take a compass and take a arc. Here is the arc. And cut the both arms OP and PQ, OQ and first OQ and OP is there. Then we got the 2 points. Here is the got the 2 points. That point is what? A and B. Then you don't change the arc. The arc will be same of the compasses. And take a center edge A and take another arc above the take another arc and same arc. Don't change the compasses and take a center edge B and draw another arc. If the both arcs are cutting to each other in new points, then give the name that point is what? C. When you got the new points, they are cutting to each other, then both are what way? When you take a center edge A, when you take a center edge B, then both the given arcs can cut to each other and another point. That point is C. Okay? C. Then now what we do? When we join O and C. When we join what? O and C, and we got the bisectors of POQ. Now we using the ruler and pencil, and we join it with O. And the OC is the bisector. Then we can say that what? OC is the bisector of angle POQ. Clear about it? How can you constructions? Now I will tell about the step. First words angle is given. Then now words we take an arc and cut the both OP arms and OQ arms. When both arms we cut, then give the name is A and B. And take a center edge A and take another arc and take a center edge B and another arc. And both are cut to each other and got the another medial points. Then give the name C. And when we join O and C, that's OC is the bisector of angle POQ. Okay. Then how can you draw? See the boards. Then which was the edge center convert the radius. Here is the step 1. What are the steps? So see the step. I write it with OH. Here is we take the OH center. Okay. OH center and OH center. See. With here is the O is the centers and bisector of your words. Bisector OP arms and OQ arms. Then here is the both the points first 2 points A and B. Again you take the center edge A and center edge B and take 2 arcs, both the arc, what is the point, that is C. Join O and C. Okay, O and C the bisector. So here with O as a center and convenient there is the convenient, that means what is the convenient radius. That means first we take a radius using the scale, using the compass. Here is the radius, that is the center. Okay. Same we take the convenience radius. Okay, and take a what? Convenience radius. Draw an arc. Here is the one arc, here is the another arc. That's what's cutting, intersecting the arms. Draw an arc when intersecting the arm. What? OP. Here is the OP arm intersecting. Here is the OQ and OQ. R, OP and OQ. Both of us intersecting. Okay. Here angle POQ. That means the angle here is what? POQ. You can do this. Okay, clear about this? At A and B respectively. POQ. Clear about it? How can works? Then at A and B. Here is the A. Here is the B. Okay. Clear about this? First step. Then what are the first step? Okay. Now in step 2. That means second step. What is second step? What you do? Now you take a center as A. Okay. Don't change the radius. Then with the B as a center and radius. Okay. With the B as a center. That means you can take a B as a center. Okay, as a center is what? B as a center and radius more than Where is the what is the radius? That we take the radius more than 1.5. That means half of AB. That means here see, here is the half of AB. A and B is there here, and more than half is C. More than half, here is the half. You can take a radius more than what? Half of A and B. Clear about it? Draw an arc. Here we draw an arc. Same we do the another arc. Okay. AB. Draw an arc. Clear about this? What is this? Now we know about the step 3. When we draw the arcs, then same we draw in second third term with the edge of the same. Then we got the what is the with the point is we got the C points. Now join O and C. Okay, clear about this? Then we got the required. So same again with the B as a center, with the A as a center and radius. But same. That means what you get the radius in of the step 2. Okay, radius is step 2 and both the arc. That means here both the arc intersecting 2. Both the arc intersecting at point C. Here is the both the point intersecting point at C. Clear about it? Yes, C. Now the last step is what? Join. Then the first step is what? Join which one? O and C. Join O and C. Here. Then what's join O to C? Sorry, here we can write N or O to C. Okay. Here we join O to C and we requires that is the first, and it should be product or form produced first from array that is OX. Here is the C, here is the range load, that means here the one C there, that is O, we leave the name O and C. Okay, join O and O to C. That means here we can go to C and produce OX. And that OX3, that is the OX bisect angle POQ. Bisect means what? It should be divide the angle equally both sides. That means we can say this POQ plus POQ equal to, we can say this also, see POQ equal to POC plus POQ. Okay, that means POQ is the angle that involves the equal parts of the numbers. Okay, then what is, we can say that means PO 1 by half POQ equal to POC. When you POC, that means POC is multiplied 2 times, then POQ and POC. Then it will multiply them. The ultimate see that means they are same. That means here is the POQ was equal to equal. Okay. Also here POC equal to COQ. Okay. Angle POC equal to COQ. Clear? I hope all of you understood how can you constructions a bisector lines of given angle. Clear about this? Now also you can verify it using the words protractors or using the protractor. Suppose the method that measures if both the same, then you got that is what the bisector lines. Clear about this? Now we will learn constructions 30 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree. Then how many constructions 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree? Now we will learn. Okay, see the board. Clear about this? How many construction bisectors? Now here we learn now when the construction 3. What is the construction 3? The construction 3 is the what? Constructions of different kinds of angle like 30, 60, 120, 75, 45, 15 degree, 19 degree. All these how can we construct using the compass and rulers and learn. Okay, to construct an angle here. Construct an angle. Here we was to construct an angle. That means how can we construct an angles of measure 60, 30, 120. Okay, 60, 30, 120. See the words and how can we learn it? 60 degree, 30 degree, and 120 degree. We can learn constructions 60, 30, 120. After we can learn what's 45, 90, 75, or 105 or 150. Then here we first we learn. First one is what? Now see here we learn angle measure 60 degree. How many constructions angle measure 60 degree? So I will told you first I draw, then write a step. Here we first we take a ray. Okay, one ray, give name A and B. Okay, A and B. Here we take a compass and take a radius. Okay, one radius. A is a center, and what's here is the words. A is a center, and round the R. That is what's called the AB ray at point X. Okay, X point. Here is the X. Now we take a center as X. Don't change the R and cut the arc. That cut here the intersecting the arc. Here is intersecting there. We got the new points and give the name Y. Here now A Y join A and Y with rays. What? XC. Here is the we join it with the ray C. Here we got what? C A B equal to 60 degree. Clear about this? How many constructs C A what? C A B equal to 60 degree. Then also you can verify using the words. If normal equal to 60 degree, we know that 3 is how we know that when a circle equal to what? One arc equal to 60 degree, another arc equal to 120 degree. Then C. Here is the protractors. We can use measures using the protractors. The correct is now C. Here is the center point. Here is the line is exact. C has the we can exactly line. Here is the 60 degree is now clear about it. And also you can measure using the protractors. See, okay, clear about it. How can we do measure 60 degree? Now with the one arc equal to 60 degree. Also you know, let's see one thing I told you. If we know that if one round equal to how many? One round equal to 360 degree. When one complete angle equal to 360 degree, when we take here suppose point any points, then here is the 1 point, here is the 2 arc, here is the 3 arc, here is the 4 arc, then here is the 5, and here is the 6. Okay, and here is the 6. That means how many cut is there? How many cut in the small complete center? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then complete angle is what? Complete angle 360 degree. Then each arc, how many arc? Total arc equal to 6. Then each arc measure equal to what? 360 by 6. Okay, then 6 is the 36, 6 equal to 6. That means each arc between 60 degree. Then here between 120 degree 2 equal to, here between 180 degree, here between 180 is 240 degree, here is the 300 degree, here is the 360 degree. Then keep in your minds when we take one first arc, that means here first arc, that means it is obviously what? 60 degree. Clear about this? How you know? Then one arc equal to 60 degree, see the complete angle. We know that one complete angle equal to 360 degree. If we take one arc equal to 60 degree. Clear about it? That is the what? That means 60 degree. Now I hope all understood how it is 60 degree. Now we will constructions the 30 degree. Then first we have the step of 60 degree. Okay. See, there is the step of what? How can you do? Send draw and ray OX. Then you can write the C. Step 1. Step. Draw a ray A B. Okay, here is the row AB. Okay, after one part we do with A as a center. Step 1, then step 2 with A as a center. Okay, see here we take A as a center and what bisect intersecting what A as a we can take a center. Okay, and any convenience, that means what we can any convenience radius, any convenient radius, you can take your own any convenience radius. Here is the no compulsory how much take the radius, your own you can take any convenience of radius and draw an arc cutting and draw an arc cutting ray AB at X. See, here is the draw part AB at X. This is the we got the what and the X is told X point here about it. Now we follow the what's next step. What is next step? Third step. Again take X as a center. That means what we can take as a centers. Okay. We also we can do with A as a center and that is the what with A as a center. Okay. Now O is here is the words we can A as a center. Now here we take A as a center. Sorry, X as a center. Okay. So here we take it with which one? X. X is a center. Okay. Here is the X. We take A as a center. Okay. A as a centers and what we do? And the same radius. Okay. And the same radius. Here is the words. That means when we take as a C, here is the one convenient arc we take. Then don't change the arc and A is center and cutting the arc. Then we got the new points and give the name is first Y. Clear about it? Okay. Then same radius. Draw another arc. arc. Okay, radius and draw another arc. Okay, then draw another cutting the former arc. Cutting the former arc at 1. It is the 1. Okay. Now last step is what? Then we can do in 4 step. What is the last step? Is join A and Y with radius. Okay. So join A to Y. Join A to Y. Here is the A. Here is the Y. Okay. Join A to Y and produce reduce. Okay. A to Y and produce which ray? AC ray. Okay. That is the get it produce and it get ray AC. This is the get ray what? AC. Okay. Then we got what? Here here's the AC. Then AC and OB is the both arm. Okay. Then the produce it gets ray which one? AC. Now we got what? CAB 60 degree. Then we can say that then CAB equal to 60 degree. Clear about its how many constructions to 60 degree. Okay. Now it starts to construct 30 degree. Okay. We do the construction of 30 degree. Sorry. Now the construction of 60 degree. Now how many constructions? 30 degree. Already I told you about the bisectors. Then you bisect the 60 degree and we got the 30 degree. And how can you do? See the one. Okay. Here angle measures 30 degree. Okay. Same. Here we say what? Here is the words. First you draw it like a 60 degrees draw. Then don't change the arc. Here is the arc. Here is the arc. Now you put pointers and scale above another arc. Then former arc can cut into each other. Here is the former arc. We got the new points. Okay. Then the give point name is first. Here is the D. Okay. And join D and A using the ruler. And we got the words 30 degree. Okay. Here is the what? 30 degree. Clear about it? How many construction 30 degree? Bisects 60 degree. Then half of 60 degree is what? 30 degree is there. Clear about it? Then what is the step? Show here also steps. Draw AB ray. Here is the draw AB ray. Is there AB ray? Okay. A and B ray. Okay. And construct angle AOB measure and construct. That is what the words second step. Step 1. Step 2. In step 2, what did you construct? Angle 60 degree. CAB equal to. Here is the numbers. Construct angle CAB equal to 60 degree. Okay. Already I learned in question CAB equal to what? 60 degree using compass. Using compasses here. There is the already we learned the words construction of 60 degree. Then after construction of 60 degree using the compasses, then we can draw words 30 degree. Then how can we draw 30 degree? Construct. Okay. Now in step 3rd, what is the step 3rd? What is we take any radius as what? Center is x and center is y. We take two arcs and cut into the new points. We got the D. Then we join words A and D. Here is the A or E. And AE ray, we got AE ray as BAB is 30 degree. And we can say that as BAB equal to 30 degrees there. Okay. Now then in last what is the first step? How can you do? So using constructions to AC and AB. Then we got the words AE. Then AE is the word diagonal. So we can say that's bisects 30 degree. Then the words E A B equal to 30 degree. Then clear about it? Alternate constructions 30 degree. Okay. Then here is the words E A B equal to 30 degree and C A equal to also 30 degree. C A E equal to 30 degree. That is bisector means what? The angles divides equal to parts. Now we learn constructions of angles 120 degree. Okay. Measure 120 degree. See. Here we learn to constructions measure 120 degree. 120 degree. First we draw. See how can we draw? First take a line. Take a ray BC. After taking a ray BC, take a compass and any convenient ray arc you can take, and that arc can be cutting BC ray. Here is the BC ray. We got the new point. Let's give the name is X. Okay, we know that if one arc cutting point what 60 degree, and then we got a new one arc which because then 60 degree. Then give the name is what Y. Now we need to put in the which ones Y and take another arc. Here is the give the name is what's the Z. Now we can join Z and B using the ray. Okay. Here we join B and Z. Here is the okay. Then give the name A. We got say as ABC equal to what? 20 degree. ABC equal to 120 degree. Clear about it? How many constructions? 120 degree. Now we will write the step. How can we write the step? First one is that draw. Then have the steps. Okay. Take one. Draw which one? BC ray. Draw a BC ray. Then take an arc. That means you have one more with B is a center. Step 2 with B as a center. Okay, this is the B is a center and take any convenient. That means what we know that where is the center and any convenient radius. Center and any convenient radius and draw an arc. Convenient radius and first we can what here draw an arc. Draw an arc cutting BC at X. See, here is the we can draw an arc, then cutting BC X. After what is second what is yours? Take an arc and third step. Same. We take a center as a X. Okay, take a center as a X. Then with X as a center. With X is the center. We can take what here is the X is the center and cutting the former arc Y points. Then after cutting the Y point, then cutting the Z points and join the Z's, then you got the 120 degree. Okay, centers. Okay, and with the same radius, this is center and the same radius. That means we can never change the radius. There is the arc, then we take the X as center, then change the radius and cutting the former arc. Then we got the new points. That point is what? Y. Okay. Then draw an here is the words draw an arc. Radius. Draw an arc. Cutting which one? Former. Draw an arc and cutting former at Y. Cutting former arc. Former arc at Y. same third step will be again repeated for the which point, z point. Okay, then the fourth step is what? Then again what's using the words y as a center, that means with y as the center, that means we can take x as a center, after take y as a center and with the same radius, and with the same radius draw an arc cutting former arc is the at j. Therefore, is the first we take center as a b, then after take center as a x, after take it center as a y, after take center as a we got the z. Now the last step is what? Now join b and j, b to j. Okay, now we can what? Join b to j. Then step 5. Here we write the okay, step 5. 120 is there. Now what do you do? Now join b to j's. Join b to j and produce b a ray. Okay, let's do words. Produce first b a ray, then what's a b c equal to 120 degree. Clear about this? Harmonic constructions of angles 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree, and these are the step. You can follow the step and you can easily construct any angles using the ruler and compass. Okay, I hope all have understood today how can construction 3 type of angles. Remains angles we will learn in our next class. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.